Too much. Look, it's open the eyes, I think. You see? Yes. I don't know. Oh, my shadow. My shadow. I don't know where it is.
It's this way. It's that way. I'll show that way.
I don't see anything anymore. Oh, I see. I see. It's here.
Guide me, guide me. Where my hand should go.
I don't want you touching. Where is it? It's on purpose, sweetie. You see how pointy it is? I see it. Uh-huh, almost.
It's like this way or this way.
This way. I see it. It's then across like you.
Oh, really? So, tell me if I'm close to it.
No, sweetie, I don't want it to touch.
Don't worry. I got this.
I don't know, like, oh, I see it. This is beautiful right now.
Is it like here?
No, I am on the purpose. It's so cool. Do not. It's so cool. You can't. It will go away. It's go away already. That's so cool. Oh. It's like almost crocodile, for my opinion.
I want to capture it. Oh, this is really, really risky.
Alison, I don't want you to touch. It's natural. Okay, I want to show you what is really not to do. Like my son always want touched natural. And
Am I close?
look,
Am I close?
yes, you are close, but she doesn't will be touched if you doesn't know where you're touching.
Down?
And
Is it
this
down?
it's sweetie, yes, it's down. When it's go down right now completely. It's here. You see this lizard? If you can see it. And he want really capture this lizard. And I don't want. This is natural.
Okay,
Please do not do that.
I'm gonna release it back though. You don't
No,
understand. I'm gonna-
you do not touch them. You can hurt them, legs and everything.
Don't worry, they're.
Do
I'm
not
gonna scare
worry.
them.
How can you tell
Do not worry.
almost teenager to don't do that? But I hope he doesn't catch. But he has so much exercise to go around it to do some stuff.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Oh, oh
It's up,
my!
It's up, it's up, it's up.
See, he's here right now.
I'd scare it back down. I'd scare it back down. No matter what.
He think he will be catched. This is lizard little bit faster
up?
than no around it.
Better not. Gone super high up. Oh, it's down. It's down. It's down. It's gotten down. It's went down. It's okay, buddy. It's okay.
Oh, oh, it's so cute was. I don't think. Hope you don't touched. Don't. Oh, oh, leave alone.
Okay.
Leave alone. Leave
I'm
alone.
just making it not. Okay, that's good. Great. You have.
I don't want you to touch.
It's okay.
Alexander, it's pointy. It will be hurt you.
Shoot.
Look. Do you catched?
Yeah.
Come in.
It's okay. Buddy, it's okay.
I hope you doesn't guys do this stuff. It's kind of bad.
It's fine. As long as you release it and do not take it home. But yeah, it's cute. Oh, look at its tail. It's like a scaly. Okay. Do not hold it by its tail or its tail will come off. But it's cool. It's cool. Do not hold it. You want to hold it by the chest.
It's no seed. Can we go like in a shade somewhere?
But
Please do not.
it's biting me. It doesn't hurt. It's trying. But it's just, you can see the blood coursing through.
Yeah, I see, but I don't know how it's like. You can see that. Should like
Do you see it?
my screen. I don't know. It's focus or not. I don't see if it's focus. Do you see if it's focus? I think maybe.
Yeah, it's focused.
Yeah. Do not too much. When you will be released?
When we're done walking.
No, release now. Alexander, you bottle of water.
Shoot. Oh shoot, it's actually got a grip. It's actually got
Look.
a grip. Mm.
It's protect themselves too.
That's so cute. I want to keep it.
You see what is happening, guys?
I'm hypocritical.
Do you see what is happening, guys, when you go in the natural? You can find something like this. It's really important for kids, like, see that and understand, and sometimes can hurt. It's always nice. Yeah, look, again. Need to focus.
It's sleeping.
Sleeping on.
It's pretending it's dead.
Mm-hmm.
I hear it pumping. I can hear its heart.
Yeah. It is true. It's protecting to be dead. You're moving your hands so much. Look, it's open the eyes, I think. You see?
It's fine. I'm not gonna hurt you. Actually, I think I'm holding it too hard. So I'm gonna release it. Hey.
Anything.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We'll put it down here. It actually like hurts. It like bites down as hard as it can, and it hurts.
Hurts?
No,
Yeah,
it
I
might.
see. Mouse, it's open. But Alexander, don't squeeze his.
Oh, I'm not. It's just wanting to protect itself. Watch me. Boom. Oh man, that's hard. It doesn't hurt.
Get me take photograph maybe too. One moment. Okay, it's still recording and we're still walking with natural, and I'm sorry if you like will be criticized.
It's honestly fine.
We will be
You're not posting
released.
this,
Yeah, I will post that.
Ugh.
We will be released. Look at this in
It's
the
got,
shade.
like-
It's really
It's
cute.
like purple.
Hold on, stay here. I want to take a photograph. You see, he's bite him, but
Oh, I can feel its
no.
grip loosening. It's like
to see anything. It's kind of like so hard.
oh, dip it down more. It's losing its grip. Hopefully you can focus before.
I don't understand.
Can you focus?
Oh, you want me to? Okay, I'm sorry. I was like, okay. You see, he's free right now, almost free. I can tell you.
Now I can beat it.
Alex, I will be posted this.
I don't beat animals. If you beat animals, you're a weirdo and you're mean. You're bad.
Really? Where you want to go?
That went super dark.
It's so cool. Let me to take photograph like this. Yes, like this. Stop like this. Cord. Okay, he's released right now. If you can see, he's out.
Yeah. So,
And
how do you like your new home, buddy? You want to get back to your home?
no, he's in the same location almost. But he's breathing really, really hard right
That's
now.
not really that hard.
No, he wants to be home. And he wants to be free.
Well, imagine if an elephant picked you up.
He's interesting, I can tell you. Colors is interesting and everything. It's perfect. He's have big tails. See how big tail his big tail are. Ooh. Ooh. This is his introduction to us. Oh, he's running.
If you don't drop a like and subscribe right now, this lizard will die in the next 5 minutes by natural causes.
Crazy.
Please drop a like and subscribe for this lizard.
He's still alive, then we hope will be doing great. We're enjoying having him for a little bit on a walking stuff. But
Drop a like and subscribe and turn on the notifications in the next 5 seconds, or a tarantula will wake up and you're dead tomorrow.
like that.
Okay. Well, that's the
we'll
end of the
be-
content.
Yes. In the videos we already walked 2 circles, and he going ahead, and I'm kind of happy. I had my headphones. I don't was using today my headphones for this reason. He won't today talk a lot, and it's really hard to listen sometimes. Teenagers, their voice or what they conversation have, it was kind of story what doesn't make sense, and you sometimes just let them do it and like close your mouth and go forward. What I did today, he find lizard and he was touching. I was a little bit worried about it, but we released. I'm happy with that, and we see a lot of natural. It's really sunny. You get vitamins D, you get I will say melatonin. I give him melatonin in the evening before he going to sleep, but natural melatonin from a sun, I think it's most important. And walking, just walking around. And my trick about this, he needed to read a book. He doesn't want today reading, and he won't reading his stuff. Or I decided, why it's not take him with me on the park and walk. I'm happy with that, because he was talk to me. It doesn't matter, I don't was liking it or doesn't disagree. I was mumbling and saying to him, let him to do his own stuff. What I mean about it, let him to talk and spread out energy and everything. Sometimes they needed have like therapeutic stuff, like we all have, like we all need, and I think it's really important for this type of situation. He was talk to me about like 30 minutes or more, like constantly, and this is important. Okay, give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye.